Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility and gathering what you need. Check whether your Mac uses Intel or Apple Silicon. This dictates the method. Once done, download the correct Windows ISO and ready a 16 GB or larger USB. Make a full-time machine backup and duplicate critical documents to an external drive, because installs can erase partitions. Now you're ready to move into partitioning or preparing an external Windows installer. Don't skip the backup step. It's the safety net if something goes wrong. You'll now build the installer and allocate space. On Intel Macs, run Boot Camp Assistant, select the ISO, and choose partition size. Aim for at least 50 GB. For Apple Silicon, create a bootable external SSD with a GUID partition and a compatible Windows image using a supported tool. Once the media is ready, reboot while holding Option to choose the installer. Make sure to download or note chipset and Wi-Fi drivers beforehand, because Windows may boot without network support until drivers are added. You finish by installing Windows to the chosen partition or external drive. Select Custom Install and pick the Boot Camp or Prepared External Partition, then format it as NTFS when prompted. After Windows boots, immediately install Boot Camp drivers on Intel Macs or the compatible driver pack for Apple Silicon to restore trackpad, keyboard, and Wi-Fi. Once drivers and updates are applied, set your preferred default startup in Mac OS System Preferences or hold Option at boot. If something fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.